Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. My name is Sensei Crypto. I'm covering the opening bell today. We have just seen Martyn do the J&J earnings, and now let's get right into the show. The bell has already gone. Just gonna enjoy doing that. Yes, the bell has already gone about 20 minutes ago. So what we are going to do is go straight into the stock, see what's moving, and let's see what is on the move. SVC is moving up. Let's have a quick look. This is J&J bouncing off the support. Let me quickly show the J&J chart as we just covered the earnings. Martyn just did the earnings, so welcome if you have joined from that. We're having a great candle on J&J, up 0.56, bouncing off that support level. Just want to bring to your attention, this is an important support level. It's not an exact support level, but it's an area of support. It is showing maybe a distribution pattern on the long term. It is bouncing right now. It's still above support, so no danger yet. But I do want to give that warning out there. If we do break sort of 148, we can quickly come down to more levels like 134 and maybe 124. But for now, we're above support. Just bringing to your attention, this is a distribution pattern. It does look like we're not going, but there's no warning bells until we start breaking below it. For now, it is fine. It has come down a lot recently, so we are due a bounce. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's see what stocks are moving. Let's put some music on. Let's turn the music down a little bit. We've got AMC up 4%, we've got Mullen up 1.7%, we've got Coinbase up 1.76%, we've got Tilray up 1.48%. Tilray are still expected to come down to 174. We've got GME up 1.64%, we've got Hood up 1.45%, we've got Etsy up 1.8%. It's bouncing off that support level. Affirm up 0.64. J&J is really moving up now, 0.89%. Martyn did buy some more. We've got ARK Invest up 0.6%. Palantir up 0.29%. If you're here with us, please hit the like button. We're going through all the stocks. It's going to be a shorter show, but do hit the like button while we are here. Coca-Cola is coming up again. It's showing some strength. It's coming up 0.52%. We've got the Russell 2000 up 0.46%. Rivian flat. McDonald's up 0.4%. The DXY is up 0.2%. Pinterest is down slightly. MicroStrategy is up slightly. Disney is flat. PayPal is flat. Shopify is down 0.38%. We've got Netflix up 0.35%. Down 0.35%. Berkshire Hathaway down 0.2%. Kenvue is flat. Fiverr has Kenvue broken? Yes, Kenvue has broken this downward trend line, so we are expecting to get some follow through up. Today should be an update for Kenvue. Fiverr is down 0.5%. Corsair Gaming is down 0.4%, Lyft is down 0.57%, the Germany 30 is down 0.78%, and the S&P is down today. The S&P is down 0.8%. Let's see how we react at this support. Snapchat is down 0.6%, US 500 the same. Meta is down 0.93%. If you have just joined us, we're doing the opening bell. Please do hit the like button, it helps a lot. Veil down 0.89%, Baba down 0.97%, Euro 50 down 1%, Nasdaq, it hasn't come up to any support, we're still moving down 1%. SVC is now down 1% on the day. We're at 173. Google is down 1.18%. Microsoft down 1.42%. It's a very mixed market today. Half the things are up, half the things are down. It seems like we are starting to move more down than up. Microsoft down 1.4%. Rocket Lab down 1.35%. Apple down 2%. Apple's moving down. This should be taking the market. Remember this trend line? Someone sold and I said, nothing wrong with selling. You're at a trend line. It seems like we have the follow through down. And now let me turn that off. We've got Tesla down 0.24%, going into the earnings, moving down. I don't see $300. Zach Zates, I think it was, he kept saying, can we see, I think we'll hit $300. I think we can see $300 before earnings. I don't think so. And we are now down to 247. Amazon down 2.6%. This is due to go down much more, and Lucid is the worst performer on. Actually, Lucid's down 2.5%, but Amazon is now my worst performer on my watch list. I'm at the best performer today is Mullen. It hit all-time lows yesterday. Okay, so let's have a quick look at your comments, see what you want me to have a look at. Welcome everyone into the show. It is a nice sunny day in England today. I think someone commented that. Let's see. Let's bring the window into it so we can see some sun. There we go. So the comments are, Tyrol was here first. Thank you, Tyrol. Hello there, everybody. Faith was also here. Thank you for joining us again. Seth is here. I'll let you know what time I'm coming live. Then we've got Martin here saying hi all. Tyrol says nice guy. Yes, it's very strange weather in the UK now. Yesterday was freezing. Today, somehow, we were in winter yesterday and we're back in summer now. Martyn Lucas Investor says, I gained 6 subs during my show and 15 likes. Now beat that. We will definitely beat that. If you are just watching, please do subscribe. Let's get some of, if you're a public subscriber, once you press the subscribe button, you'll be able to, you'll come live on the screen. It will read your name out. And if you are here watching, please do hit the like button. It really helps. Let's beat Martyn's show. I'm sure we can. We didn't yesterday, but we will today, I'm sure of it. Let's get rid of that. We've then got Tyrol. What would you say about DAX short term? How much could it go down or up today, tomorrow, by looking at the chart? Nowadays, it's usually the DAX 40, so it seems strange that you get 30. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Octavia. Let's have a look at the DAX. Welcome everyone into the show. Yeah, the DAX. So when I show, what did you say? It's usually the DAX 40. DAX index. Yeah, so we've got 2 different charts. I've got the DAX index. It doesn't actually tell me how many stocks are in it, but then I've got my own Germany 30. I think it's slightly different. Let me show you what I'm looking at. So we've got, this is the Germany 30 I look at. It's not actually called the DAX. It gives me a better indication because it's something I've invested in the past. But if we add, let's add the DAX and see if it's the same chart. This will overlay it. Okay, so it does seem to be the exact same chart. There's no difference between them. And if there is, it's very minimal. Let's have a look. I'm trying to look at it to see if there's any difference. Yeah, it's the same thing. I can get rid of the, let's get rid of the Germany 30 and just add the DAX. Okay, now we've done that, let's get rid of this as well. Okay, so let's just have a look at what you want to have a look at, which is the DAX. I believe it's the same, but we've just added the DAX instead of the Germany 30 just for the sake of it. And your question was, look at it short term, how much could it go up or down today, tomorrow by looking at the chart? Okay, today, tomorrow, wow. Okay. Short time frame. Once again, I'm not the biggest short time frame trader, but of course, charts are charts. I can give you the levels. I wonder why this is, okay. Let's go into the 4-hour time frame because we're looking very short term. Yeah, so what you're looking for, something's going on with my chart. There we go. Okay, so with the DAX, where can it go in the next couple of days? If we have a sell-off, this is your target, 14,946. It's the lowest level we've had in a while on the October the 4th. Is it looking bullish or bearish? It's looking more bearish than bullish. We have just closed a candle, just closed a gap. So let's see how ask me again in the closing bell. We'll have some more data. However, for now, it looks like we can be heading to 15,000 maybe in the next couple days. If we continue with this bear trend, 15,000 is your target. But if we hold this level tonight in the next couple 4-hour candles, then we might see a push up to maybe 15,200. But for now, the target is 15,000. Excuse me. For now, the target's 15,030 euros. Let's go back to the comments. If you have just joined us, we're doing the opening bell. We are a bit later than usual because Martyn was covering the J&J earnings. We will be finishing the show in about 15 minutes, so please do get your comments in now and let's have a look through what you want to have a look at. Octavia says good morning. Zach Zate says good morning. I just bought more Tesla. I'm still optimistic about earnings, but you're right. Yeah, I mean, you can be optimistic about it. I could be wrong. The next week, if Tesla's earning is this week, maybe today, tomorrow, we got a massive pump, but it just seems unlikely at this point. It's just how the trend was. I don't think we're going to take out the lower highs. But maybe during the earnings, something amazing comes out and you might hit $300 on the day of the earnings. That's your only hope now. I don't think there's any hope that we're going to reach it before the earnings. But during the earnings, if a new car's announced, I don't know, something major is announced, then maybe we can hit $300. We are looking to see when they say the Cybertruck event is. That should have been announced by now. It was anticipated to be this month, but it's looking more and more likely it will be next month now. Tyrell says DAX is now 15,150. Yes, that's what we're looking at now. I have got rid of the Germany 30. Let's see. They were tracking each other exactly. Maybe the price was different there. Germany 30 is 15,141. Yep, basically the same. So maybe the DAX is the top 30 companies. Let me have a look. Yeah, the DAX is a 40. You are right. So I don't know why the Germany 30 is the exact same price. Maybe the weighting of the last 10 companies is very, very small. But we'll look at the DAX from now on. It's basically the same anyway. Okay, so no questions. So let's have a look through some stocks. Let's have a look at some crypto as well. Bitcoin we'll have a quick look at. It's probably coming down after the news of yesterday. We had that. Okay, we're still holding. We are down today on Bitcoin 0.65%. Let's have a look at BNB. I'm trying to get a trade in. I didn't get it in last night. I had other things to take care of. It's probably moving down. Let me have a look at BNB. If you remember, that's the one I want to take a short on. It's down 1.8% today. I missed it. I should have gotten the trade last night. I just was too busy doing other things. It's okay. I've got 3 other entries I can get in. But BNB is down 1.8% today. Ethereum's down today. The crypto market is moving down today. Okay, and the altcoins more than Bitcoin. Remember, this is what's going to be happening. Bitcoin yesterday went up 7%. Altcoins went up 2%. Today, Bitcoin comes down 0.64%. Altcoins are going down 2%. This is the trend right now in the bear market. Be careful when you buy altcoins. Let's have a look at Bitcoin dominance. It's probably moving up. Bitcoin dominance, here we go, 0.03% away from 50. We're basically at 52%. This is going to be we might get the highest daily candle close of this whole bear market today. We did get the highest level yesterday. Bitcoin hit 52.5%. On Bitcoin dominance, I'm expecting this to go 55%. Our technical analysis was on point. We have been tracking this for over a year now and it's playing out. Let's have a look at gold. Let's see how that's reacting today. Yesterday was a sell-off. We explained why. People fled to gold over Friday and then they sold off on Monday. They're probably going to, here we go. Gold is up 0.4% today. We're looking to see if we can break out of this trend. It seems like we are. We can put this trend line more like this. And we're looking to break out of this trend line soon and head to 1950. $1,950, $1,980, and then the all-time high at $2,074. Keeping a strong eye on gold. Remember, we were explaining the V-shaped recovery, and that came into play. Silver outperforming, up 1.28%. Oil is down today, 0.34%. And we've got the total market cap of crypto down today, 1%. Let's see if there's anything else. We've got the futures market. Sugar is up today, 1.5%. Natural gas is up 0.5%. Coffee's up 0.34%. Orange juice is at all-time highs, still not coming any way down. Look at this chart of orange juice. Who would have thought? This is orange juice. Imagine investing in orange juice. It's not something people look at every day, but it is important to look at. And since 2019, orange juice is up a good 4x. And you can see it's been going up parabolic. Let's put it in the monthly chart. This is all-time highs on frozen concentrate orange juice as a futures. So we're the highest level we've ever been. So if you've seen orange juice prices go up and going up, you're better off probably buying fresh orange juice right now, because concentrated orange juice is probably around the same price or getting there. So look at that. That's orange juice. Still every month putting in new all-time highs. The dollar index is still moving up. People want to be in the dollar right now, not into risk assets. Anything else interesting? Not really. Let's look at some stocks. Let's see how SBCE is doing today. Did we get the sell-off like we anticipated yesterday? We are down 0.57%, so anything can change. Nothing really is going on right now. Let's go on the 4-hour candle, see what's going on. What we're looking to do today is continue this bullish momentum from yesterday. We're trying to see if we can break the 180 level today, continue the bullish momentum. If we don't break 180 today, then we start becoming more and more bearish as we're not continuing with the bullish momentum. We want to continue with the bullish momentum. We want to continue these daily candles up. If we want to get that short squeeze at $2, every single day should be up now. We should have found our bottom and we should be going up. If we start selling off, if we start moving sideways or not showing the strength in SBC, we can come down to 150 and then we have to reevaluate, probably get the bounce at 150. If that happens a second time, if one more time we get 150, we'll probably get a bounce. Martyn, I think, is buying more at 150 again. If, let's say, next time, let me just explain something to you on SBC's chart. This is what I'm looking for now. I'll get my drawing tool out so I can show you. So what we're looking for realistically is today to come up to about 180. If we close there, it's fine. Tomorrow to break the 185. And then we can have a little sell-off back at 185, test that resistance, and then go on another bull trend to maybe $2, have a day sell-off, and then break $2, maybe one last retest of that $2.06 level, and then that's when we anticipate short squeeze, straight up to $4, something like that. However, this needs to continue. The bulls need to stay in control right now. What I don't want to see is today to sell off to 160. Stay around here and then come back to 164 and then come down to 150. Yes, the first time we come to 150 we're probably going to get another bounce, but if that next bounce over here only comes to a lower high, let me show you this. If it comes to a lower high, if it comes to only here and it doesn't break out, then we're probably going to come back down to 150. We're going to test this level too many times, this 150 level. If we come back down to 150, we're going to test this 150 level one more time, and we're probably going to break down. And then you're looking at targets which we don't know. Ultimately, it's $1, but it could stop at 140, it could stop at 130. But ultimately, we're probably going to come to $1. So we want to see, let's try and do it on this first one. If we don't do it on the first one, let's try it on the second one. But if we don't do it on the second one, then we're turning bearish again. For today, we want to see, we'll be here for the closing bell, so we want to see us break this high over here around 180. Let's make sure we stay bullish. Let's have a look at the comments. We are ending the show in about 10 minutes. My Tesla average on Hood price is starting since starting about 3 months ago, 247. So you're right at your average right now. I used to bring up orange juice from time to time as a kind of joke with Martyn. Yes, yes. It is interesting to look at. I don't actually. I've been on the show for a while. I wish I saw as well, because I do track the price of orange juice as well. So, orange juice is making all-time highs. So welcome into the show, everyone. Please do hit the like button. Martyn said he had 15 likes and it gained 6 subs. So if you we're trying to beat Martyn, because we didn't yesterday and he got all smug. So please do subscribe if you haven't already. If you've just come in, please do subscribe. It really helps. Let's try to get 6 subscribers. And if you haven't already, please hit the like button. I can see we've got 16 people watching, I think. Let's refresh it just to make sure. We have 18 people watching and 13 likes. Let's get that likes up. Let's get 18 likes. If we could do it, that'd be great. $16 likes, brilliant. Let's get it up. I think we've just beat Martyn on likes. Now we need some subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want me to have a look at. I'm going to be here for another 10 minutes and then I have to close the show. Yesterday we did a great fundraiser. James 007 came in, won the cash prize last week, $20 he won. He decided to give it to a charity, asked us to do a fundraiser. He asked the community what's the charity. So if Zach from Uganda is here, we've raised around $40 to $50, something like that, in effect, and I'll be sending that over to you, and we'll be sharing that live on Sunday's show. So do enter the giveaway. We do have another one running. You can decide what you want to do with the money, and here it is. Please do join the giveaway. It's free for you, free for all, free for members, free for non-members. So please do all get involved. Craig is here. Good afternoon to you. Here we go. SBC now moving up 178. Here we go. This is what we're looking for. We're looking to close the candle above 180. Let's see if we can get above that level. I'm sure the bulls are still here. That's good to see. We don't want to lose this momentum. Here we go. 178 on SBC, moving up now. We are moving up 178. Let's see if we can get that 180. See what else is moving today. Coinbase now moving up 3%. Hood up 2.4%. Have a look at the crypto market. This is someone's suggestion for a Bitcoin mining company. What a great suggestion. We did say it's undervalued. We were looking for lower levels, but it was definitely a point to start DCAing in. And since someone suggested it on the Sunday show, please do remind me who that was. We are up 20%. So congratulations to all who took that trade. Bitcoin is now moving up slightly. It's still down 0.48%, but every single altcoin is down much lower. Uniswap down 5%. Remember, I'm going to keep repeating myself. When Bitcoin goes up 7% like yesterday, altcoins only went up 2%. When Bitcoin comes down 0.5%, altcoins, Uniswap down 5%, EGLD down 4.5%, FTM down 4%, Aave down 4%, Pancake down 3%. Everything else is down much more than Bitcoin is. So this is the stage of the market where you need to be careful about your altcoin investments. Even XRP is down 1.67%, but we have said now we are expecting XRP to come around the 40 cents and then maybe the 30 cents level. XRP is in a much better situation than most other altcoins because of the news that came out. It's been holding up much better. XRP is still, if we look at sort of XRP Bitcoin, it's looking fine. We're not breaking down below Bitcoin. You look at other altcoins. Let's just look at Uni BTC, because we just saw that today coming down. That's at the lows of its value of Bitcoin. It's actually at the all-time lows right now. You look at something like DOT BTC. That's at its lows. It's coming down. It's not what XRP looks like. You look at something like Doge BTC, that's probably approaching its lows. Yep, approaching the lows of the cycle. You look at something like Aave BTC, AAVE. That's nearly at its lows, but you can see it's much lower. So when you look at XRP BTC, you can see it's holding up much better than other altcoins. It's at these levels. It's not at its all-time lows. You can see that's much low it can go, but right now it's holding up, which is good to see. ETH beat of a collapse, to be honest, which will bring even XRP BTC down. Let's bring up ETH BTC. We have been tracking this for a while. It is breaking support, and we are going to enter a region where ETH will become a nice price to start accumulating for the bear run. This is why I started doing these Sunday shows, because we're getting to a point where we need to navigate the crypto markets. We need to see what stocks we can add to our ISAs in the crypto. Is there going to be Coinbase, MicroStrategy, some mining companies, and then also where we're going to buy altcoins and Bitcoin for the bull market ahead. Let's go back to your comments. We're closing the show in about 5 minutes, so do get your questions in. Great to see the petition hit the news last night. Oh, did it, Craig? Please do send the link into Discord. I'd love to see that. If you've got the link, send it in. I'm trying to see if I can... Craig, if you could send that link in, or is it something that Martyn shared? I haven't seen that yet. Anyway, oh, T-Roll said it was me, Terrorwolf. Exactly, thanks for suggesting that. We did have a look at it on Sunday. Terror, I've got it on my watch list actually. Ticker symbol Wolf WLF. So what we did say on Sunday was, yes, it's being hammered. It's at a good level in terms of it's come down a lot, but also I'd love to buy this stock for around 60 cents. So it was at its first DCA level. Unfortunately, I didn't pick any up. But yes, it is probably going to have a nice bounce because it has come down so much. It's up about 20% since you suggested it. So let's see if we can get it moving up more, or if we can find an entry. Congratulations if you did take a trade, Tiro. I want to see where this news is. I think I must have missed Martyn's video or something. I need to go back. I'm sure Martyn would have covered that. Okay, so that's Wolf. Let's have a look at Bitcoin still moving down. Anything happening in the stocks? Let's go back to SBC, ENC, 177. We'll have to have a good look at where we closed today at SBC. It's all about the daily candle closes. If you join me for today's closing bell, we'll see how it's all performed. It's all about the day close. We want to close the day higher than yesterday's candle, and ultimately, if we want the short squeeze, we have to navigate it day by day, and we need to break 180 today and close above it. Let's have a look at the comments, and let's put the ending music. We are coming to a close for the show. Because we had that earnings earlier, I can't stay live more than an hour today. Let's see the comments for the final comments of the... Okay, oh, here we go. Martyn said, I covered it on my video. Of course he did, Martyn. Yes, Martyn did cover it. That's great news. I need to watch that video. Craig says, no, Martyn's video, it said... Parabolic Arc wrote an article about the petition. Amazing news. And that's really good news. See what we can do as a community. We get it done. Bloody hell, have you not seen the video long? Sorry, Martyn. I mean, it's terrible, isn't it? Let me save that link. If anyone else hasn't seen it, I think Martyn's just posted the link, so I'm just going to put that in a new tab.
Virgin Galactic.
And I'm going to watch that. Oh, it was 13 hours ago. I think I was asleep. So I need to watch that. We've got... great to see our voice is being heard. Great job, Martyn. Yes, amazing job, Martyn. Thanks for creating this community, and thanks for getting our voice heard. It's my #1 video at the moment, 100 likes. Congratulations, Martyn. Let's make it 101 likes. Before I even watch the video, let me give it a like. I'm the 101st person to like it. I will be watching that video right after the show while I'm on the way to somewhere. Okay. Congratulations, Martyn. Congratulations. Let's see how many likes we got. We got more likes than you, Martyn. Sorry, and we probably got more subscribers than you. No way for me to check that right now, but I'm just going to guess. We got more likes than you, Martyn. We got more subscribers than your J&J. So we did a great job. If you haven't already, do hit the like button. If you're watching and haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. We are coming to the end of the show. Thank you all for watching. Let's get the final comments in. Sleep. Who sleeps? Sleep is for wimps, lol. Please. Come on, guys. I need to sleep. Not like us old ones. I will watch it now. I will watch it. But for now, we're coming to an end of the show. It's a warm day here in England. Until tonight, I will be watching that video. I have other bits and bobs to do. I have to go get delivery. But I'll see you guys in the closing bell. Thank you all for watching. Take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of your stocks. And until tonight, see you at the closing bell. Take care of each other.